Welcome back to the Daily Blessing. Today we focus on a long, beautiful word that describes God's work of making you whole. Our transforming word for today is sanctification. The Roman Catholic Bible offers this deep prayer and powerful premise in the book of Thessalonians, chapter 5, verse 23. This is God's perfect will for your complete well-being. Let's turn to the book of Thessalonians, chapter 5, verse 23, and it reads like this. Now may the God of peace himself sanctify you completely, and may your entire spirit, soul, and body be kept blameless at the coming of our Lord Jesus Christ. Sanctification is the process of being set apart for God's holy use. It is a work God does in you that affects your entire being, your spirit, your soul, and your body. It is God refining you, removing the negative influences, and making you more like Christ. This is an ongoing, loving work of divine transformation. This knowledge brings incredible positive energy because it assures you that God is committed to your total wellness. You are not stuck where you are. Every challenge, every choice for good is part of this beautiful process that leads you towards perfection and blamelessness. In your daily struggles, you may feel like you are fighting against habits or negative thoughts. Today's blessing reminds you that you have divine help. The God of peace himself is working to sanctify you. You don't have to carry the burden of self-improvement alone. Simply cooperate with his transforming grace. Today, surrender one area of struggle to God's sanctification. Trust that he is actively cleansing and preparing you. By submitting to this process, you are actively choosing health, purity, and the fullness of the blessed life. Today, receive the total sanctification of the God of peace. He is making you whole, spirit, soul, and body. That is your blessing for today. Now, let's share the good news of transformation. Subscribe to the Daily Blessing and share this message with someone who is praying for deep, lasting change today. God bless you. I'm Kyle Rue. See you next time.